Now I've shown you the difference in complexity between the nasturtium and this rose family complex inflorescence, but I want to show you how inflorescences can be equally vexing as far as trying to determine what's going on. So here we have what I used to call a spider plant, and I can't remember the real name of it now. You probably know this, this plant. But this is certainly a node with a leaf and a small branch, another node, another node, another node. Well, where I'm going with this is once the flower starts, I no longer know whether from my fingers on up is one big inflorescence, see if you can see it better that way, or if in fact each of these represents a node. It's just darn hard to tell, and if you've looked at flowers, you've seen the same sort of thing. You can see by the line drawing that I have in the notes that you can have flowers with a little leaf-like appendage that's actually called a bract. If I were trying to play botanist here and tell you exactly what these parts were, I'd probably say this is the last node because it has a conventional leaf attached, and from here on up the inflorescence starts. And we have, of course, we have a seed pod here, so that's the results of a flower earlier in the season. And then at the base of each flower is a little bract, or former is a little bract. There's all kinds of bracts coming up here, and then at the very tip we have very small bracts and lots of little florets. So sometimes it's very hard to tell what's going on in a flower.